Everyone wants to be financially independent. Who doesn't? But why do so few make it to financial independence? What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to talk about financial freedom. I'll tell you what financial freedom is. I will give you a step-by-step plan, and I will even give you an additional bonus at the end. Stay tuned after this. First question is, what is financial freedom? Everyone is going to have a different thought on what their financial freedom is. I'll definitely go into detail further in the video about that. So, majority of the people, I believe, would say that financial freedom is to have enough of an income or a source that is able to pay for you to basically live the rest of your entire life. There's no age limit. It's just whenever that happens. This means that you're not financially dependent upon a job, and you're not financially dependent upon someone else to pay for you. What I'm saying is working that 9-to-5 job every single day, having a boss tell you what to do every single day, that won't exist. Financial freedom, you become your own boss. You decide how you're going to run your day-to-day life. Decisions are no longer based on money. You don't require an hourly wage. You do not require a salary wage. You're not stuck working 9-to-5, 10-to-6. There's no set time limit. It's based on you and what you want to do with your life. Next question is going to be, how can I become financially free? And how quick can I make this happen? Well, I'm about to tell you. I'm going to give you a simple answer to both of those questions. And the answer is going to be, it's up to you. It truthfully is up to you. I'm going to go into some more detail and give you some guidelines on how you can do it. But the big picture is, it's up to you. If you decide to become financially free, you'll make it happen. And that's the truth. Some people would say that becoming financially free is a marathon. It's not a sprint. This is something that definitely is not going to happen overnight. I mean, I guess it could if you won the lottery. But the odds for that are 1 in 300 million. So good luck with that. So back to the question, where do I start? How do I begin? What steps do I need to follow? Are there some guidelines? I'm about to tell you. I am going to run you through some guidelines that will help you create a plan for yourself becoming financially free and continue pushing into financial conviction. Sit down and evaluate your personal finances and then set realistic goals for yourself. This may mean that you don't get to hang out with your friends every Friday night. So with that being said, create a step-by-step plan for becoming financially free. Some examples are, create an emergency fund. Most people say $1,000, but why be the norm? Choose a number you think will be good during an emergency. Number 2, establish a budget. Number 3, control your spending habits. Hence, not going out every Friday night. This does not mean cut off all fun. Of course not. It just means control it. Number 4, increase your income. This could be by acquiring another job or a side hustle, such as Uber, YouTube, and so many other options. And number 5, paying off debt. Whether it's student loans, yes, that's me. Credit cards, yes, that's me. And or a vehicle payment, also me as well. Now it's time to start to understand your investment goals. Investing into things that can create a passive income. A passive income is stocks and bonds, dividends from stocks and bonds, and also rental property. There are so many other ways to create a passive income. These are just a few choices. It is important to stick to your plan and then commit to this lifestyle. Otherwise, you will not achieve your goal. You will have to learn to say no, because it's going to happen. Find a way to always save money, no matter what your income is. This is possible if you maintain a budget and really understand your finances. Also, use visual aids and cues to help you through this. For example, motivational quotes or a dry erase board showing your debts shrinking to zero. Now that's some motivation. Anyone across the world can supply you with these simple ideas I just listed out for you. That is the truth. Anyone can say these are the 5 steps to financial freedom, but that doesn't make you financially free. That is why at the beginning of my video, I mentioned these people are considered rare breeds. You can create a plan and you can begin to work on that, but most people fizzle out. This is similar to starting a diet. You are highly motivated to start to lose weight. You go to the grocery store, motivated. You start to cook the right things. You start to eat the right things. But as time goes on, you're not seeing that right now result. The drive fizzles out and we go back to what we know. Working that 9 to 5, dealing with the same boss. The issue is we're uncomfortable with challenges. We're uncomfortable with tough challenges. Something that is hard to complete. We really just can't deal with it. But this is where, in my opinion, you don't stop because you are no longer working that 9 to 5. You start to build financial conviction. See, we all assume that financial freedom is sipping margaritas by the beach. For some, yes, this is the case. But for me and many others alike, that is not the case. Our financial conviction is no longer about being strapped by a 9 to 5. We are given the ability to pour our heart and soul into something we truly enjoy. And in my case, that is bringing you all YouTube videos on finance, business, stocks, and so many other things. Another one of my financial convictions is to be able to trade stocks regularly and become a day trader. So once I hit financial freedom, because I will, trust me, I won't be sitting on my couch or on a beach drinking margaritas. To become financially free, I believe it requires some ambition. What is ambition? Well, an ambition is a desire, not just any type of desire, a burning desire to get a task completed. In this case, ambition typically requires some hard work. To become financially free, it will be hard work. It's not going to come easy. People will throw around the phrase financially free or financially freedom, and you even often hear the word FIRE. But I like to add my own twist. Remember that bonus I was talking about? Yes, I do think we can achieve financial freedom. But I like to push it past a level. I want to take it further. Yeah, personally, I want to become financially free. But then I'm going to continue to push past that. And I call it financial conviction. I'm convincing myself to push further, to push harder, to go even beyond what I'm capable of doing just to become financially free. That's exactly why not every single person can, complete financial freedom, financial peace, financial whatever. It's because if it was easy, everyone could do it. One of my favorite quotes is, real wealth is not having to go to a meeting, not having to spend time with jerks, not being locked down into a status game, not feeling like you have to say yes, not worrying about others claiming your time and energy. Real wealth is about freedom. That quote is by James Clear. This video gave you a little bit more clarity on what financial freedom is. And also, I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation, especially if you're trying to become financially free. As always, if you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy this content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And as always, have a good day.